Good. So we just moved that bone, we adjusted into the curve of the scoliosis. So let's sit up for a moment. And we're going to have you step right over here. Arms out, cross your arms. And forward. Excellent. Good. Excellent. Good. Very good. Perfect.